Dear students, welcome to the last session on this topic, indicators. In this session, you will be able to understand how to calculate the pH of a mixture of acid and base. So in this session, we are taking a mixture of strong acid and strong base. Let us see how to calculate the pH of mixture of acid and base. When we add base to an acid, the pH of the resulting solution will change. Suppose a solution of strong acid is mixed with solution of strong base, then the resulting solution may be acidic or neutral or basic. Suppose hydrogen ion concentration of resulting solution is greater than hydroxyl ion concentration, then the pH will be less than 7. So lesser the value of pH, more will be acidic. In case of neutral solution, hydrogen ion concentration will be equal to hydroxyl ion concentration, then pH will be equal to 7. If the solution is basic, then hydroxyl ion concentration will be more than hydrogen ion concentration and pH will be greater than 7. Suppose V1 ml of strong acid of normality N1 is mixed with V2 ml of strong base of normality N2, then the number of mass equivalent of strong acid is given by N1 into V1. Number of mass equivalent of strong base is equal to N2 into V2. And after mixing strong acid with strong base, neutralization will take place and the normality of resulting solution will be equal to number of mass equivalent left upon total volume of the mixture. Suppose number of mass equivalent of strong acid is greater than that of base, the resulting solution will be acidic and the normality will be equal to hydrogen ion concentration, which can be obtained by using the expression N1V1 minus N2V2 upon V1 plus V2. Suppose number of mass equivalent of strong base is more than number of mass equivalent of strong acid, then the resulting solution will be basic and the normality of resulting solution will be equal to hydroxyl ion concentration, which can be calculated by the expression equal to N2V2 minus N1V1 upon V1 plus V2. Also, after knowing hydrogen ion concentration, we can calculate pH by using the expression pH is equal to negative logarithm to base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. Similarly, for pOH, it is equal to negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. Also, we know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Let us take one example. Suppose 25 ml of 0.1 normal HCl solution is mixed with 20 ml of 0.1 normal NaOH. We can see how to calculate the pH of resulting solution. Let us take the normality of HCl N1 is equal to 0.1, volume V1 is equal to 25 ml. For base N2 is 0.1, V2 is 20 ml. So here we can see that N1 V1 is greater than N2 V2. So after neutralization, the hydrogen ion concentration will be left over. That is, hydrogen ion concentration will be more in the solution. Then hydrogen ion concentration is calculated by the expression N1V1 minus N2V2 upon total volume of the mixture. So N1 is 0.1, V1 is 25 ml, N2 is 0.1, V2 is 20 ml. Total volume 25 plus 20. On calculation, you will get hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 0.011 and pH will be equal to negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, which will be equal to minus log of 0.011. So log of 0.011 will be equal to minus 1.5. So minus into minus plus, so pH will be equal to 1.95. So let us take another problem. What is the resulting pH of a mixture prepared by combining 20 ml of 0.07 molar NaOH and 13 ml of 0.09 molar HCl? So in the earlier problem, we have taken the concentration in terms of normality. Here in this case, it is in terms of molarity. And the molarity of resulting solution, that is after mixing, will be equal to number of moles left over upon total volume of the solution. Let us calculate number of moles of HCl, which is equal to molarity into volume in terms of liters. So molarity is 0.09, volume 13. It is 13 ml. So if we express in liter, it will be 13 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So number of moles of HCl will be equal to 0.00117. Similarly, number of moles of sodium hydroxide will be equal to molarity is 0.07, volume is 20 ml, but expressed in liter 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Upon calculation, number of moles of NaOH will be 0.001. If we observe, number of moles of NaOH is more than number of moles of HCl. So after neutralization, the resulting solution will have hydroxyl ion concentration. So it can be calculated. So hydroxyl ion concentration will be equal to number of moles left after neutralization upon total number of volume expressed in liter. So it is equal to 0.0014 minus 0.00117 upon total volume of the mixture. On calculation, you will get hydroxyl ion concentration equals 0.0069. So here we got hydroxyl ion concentration as 0.0069. Now we can calculate pOH, which is equal to negative logarithm of hydroxyl ion concentration. So log of 0.0069 will be equal to minus 2.16. Minus into minus plus, so pOH is equal to 2.16. So in this case, the resulting solution will have more number of hydroxyl ion concentration. So pOH is equal to 2.16. Since we know pH plus pOH is equal to 14, substituting for pOH, so 14 minus 2.16, you will get pH is equal to 11.84. So pH is greater than 7. So the resulting solution will be highly alkaline. So in this session, we have seen how to calculate the pH of a mixture of strong acid and strong base. So with this, I will end this session. Thank you.